Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to layer vocals in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you're not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can find all the instruments you can play, you have your audio recorder and so on. So let's go and see how we can get started with layering vocals. So guys, the first thing I'm going to do is open up the audio recorder option right here. That's going to open up this recording menu where at the top of the screen we have the big red circle that's going to enable us to start recording. We have all our options right here, and what we can do is go into the upper left corner and click on edit mode to see our mixing mode where we can find all the tracks we have. So guys, let's say this is my first audio track and I want to create a second one right here. This is an option I can do now to go ahead and layer my vocals. So basically guys, I'm going to go back to the recording mode, and now I'm going to go ahead and record a new track. And after finishing the recording, I'm going to go back into mixing mode. As you can see, I have selected my new track, I have recorded, and so on. So basically now if you want to layer new vocals and recordings one over another, what you can do is go ahead and tap on the track that you want to layer and go ahead and drop it under where you want to layer it. And here, as you can see, I have my vocals, so what I can do is take my vocals and drag them under here to a new layer. So they are going to be layered under my original vocals, so you can choose how you want to layer them. You can go ahead and switch places, you can tap the original vocals and layer them under, and so on. And this is how you can get started with layering your vocals. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.